Jamaica defeated Argentina in the recent Sagicor Night Under the Stars Polo exhibition match, with proceeds from the event going towards ongoing Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts in 3 parishes. Denise Walters has the details.
It was a close match throughout the entirety of the contest. However, after both teams were even at 2-all, Jamaica began to pull away 6-7, 7-5, 9-6, 10-8 before closing out the contest 12-9. Luke Clark, who is also the captain of the Kingston Polo Club, captained the Jamaica team, which also featured Frederick Farquharson and James Robertson.
It was a great time out there, just having fun, and for me the biggest part is today the horses played well, the field played good, it was a good turnout, and I love playing with my teammates, James and Freddie, best teammates I could ever ask for. So it's really the camaraderie with my team that it's what it's all about for me. But it was an intense game, which was nice as well.
Clark says the exhibition game helped to highlight the sport in Jamaica.
It's extremely important. We're so grateful for the turnout, It's all about growing the sport in Jamaica, and how you grow a sport is awareness. And what better way to bring awareness than a fantastic event like this?
Mohamed Julian now is a member of the Argentina team.
Playing here was amazing. We had a good horse, but the thing is we had to get used to the humidity. In Argentina, we play under different type of climate. Here, it's tougher for the body of the person, and for the horses also. So, that's a great experience.
Paul Layla is a member of the Kingston Polo Club.
The Polo Club, it's great. I mean, it's our largest rental. It also brings highlights the sport. It allows us to showcase the animals. So it's a really important thing for the Kingston Polo Club. Part sponsor and be a part of this event, and it's a great thing for equestrian sport in Jamaica.
Karen Kraningberg is the organizer of the event.
A few of these events in Jamaica when I was still living in the UK before I moved to Singapore. So every year we try to have a different concept. We try to bring different teams, to mix it up so it's a little bit different, and culturally to give people a flavor of other parts of the world.
The Kilmarnock community bordering St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, as well as the Black River Primary in St. Elizabeth and Adelphi Primary in St. James, will get assistance through proceeds from the match in their rebuilding efforts following the impact of Hurricane Melissa.
We have given a lot towards the school rebuilding, and tonight is just another part of that effort. Through our Sigma Run, we would have contributed over 200 million to the cause, and so we are continuing to help our country to recover, and the less fortunate and the children who need to be back in school to have somewhere that they can go.
This is the second staging of the event. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.